Doodling in time. One of my beautiful granddaughters recently turned 12, became Batmitzva. It made me wonder a little about the passage of time. The notion of time is a conundrum. As I write, time is passing, but nothing is passing me, and I don't have any visualized notion of the passage of time. The watch I wear is just a piece of mechanical technology that is not at all conscious of time. Time is such an elusive notion. It comes in fits and starts. One moment I'm here writing, and the next moment I may be driving a car. And though an hour may have elapsed, when I look back on it, it will have been two incidents seamlessly flowing together and covered in my imagination in a matter of seconds, not the hours it seems to have taken. Were there two sequences truly involved? And by being personally involved in them, did I slow time down? And when I chose to remember them, did time speed up? And the two became part of one greater sequence? Yes, a bit of a conundrum, this time thing. I used to think that time is a measure of the relative motion of all changeable things. Does that mean that if everything were perfectly still and totally unchanging, then there will be no passage of time? Or perhaps there would be. One thing is for sure, the clock lies. How can I possibly have a fully grown Batmitzva granddaughter when she was, in my retrieved memory of a few moments ago, a mere babe in my arms? In an instant, she has grown from babyhood to Batmitzvahood. Not possible. Or perhaps very possible, and even true. In other words, time is relative. Does that sound downright Einsteinian to you? I actually think that's what he meant. But I never met him, and I don't understand the maths involved, so I'm not sure. But time sure is relative. I can put my head down on the desk, snooze for 30 minutes, pick up writing this blog from where I left off, all as if no time has elapsed. Or are we talking here of flow of consciousness, which is much more real than the artificial flow of time? Either way, it's probably more important that I'm very proud of my granddaughter than the arithmetic of how long ago she was a little baby. And that means that time is immaterial, just a good, albeit artificial, way of coordinating business meetings. And if someone doesn't show at the meeting, then no time has passed for that individual from the point of view of the meeting, even though time has passed for that individual while they were playing golf instead of attending the meeting. Perhaps time is only a medium through which we appropriate our flow of consciousness. And it matters not a jot how much time has passed. What matters is whether I have made a conscious contribution to the world, the purpose of creation. My conclusion? My granddaughter's Batmitzva is full of meaning for me, and that is what I live for. It matters not if 12 years have passed. What counts is the moment of pride for her achievement.